When do I start running ads? Are there certain statistics? Yes. So when you start running ads, you start running Etsy advertisements when you have 3 to 5 listings public. Then you start them at $5 a day. When it fully spends, you go to 10, 15, 20, 25, and then you go based upon a percentage. Okay? So how do you turn off products? How do you add, like, whatever? So one thing is you want to always be adding products during this period of time with $1 a day, okay? $1 a day. And then in regards to, like, when do you turn off the products? $3 in spend, then that's when you look at the specific product. Less than a 1%, so 0.9% or less, click-through rate, click rate, CTR, you want to turn off the product. If it has spent between $12 and $15 with no sales, again, you want to turn off these products. These are very generalized rules, but yeah, this is very generalized rules.